Today we're making a healthy garlic and herb pork leg roast, juicy, flavorful, and perfect for a comforting, protein-rich meal. Start by seasoning the pork with fresh garlic, rosemary, thyme, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Simple ingredients bring out the best flavor. A little citrus adds brightness and helps keep the meat tender as it roasts. Roast until golden and fragrant, letting the pork rest so it stays juicy and full of flavor. Slice and serve, a clean, satisfying pork roast that's hearty, wholesome, and perfect for any occasion.